Hello my friend, and welcome back to the channel and today's new 2023 Christmas clean and decorate. I am so excited to be sharing with you guys today's minimal Christmas decor. We are going to be decorating the bedroom, we're going to be putting up our Christmas village, and also decorating the kitchen. So if you are needing some minimal and just simple home inspiration when it comes to Christmas decor, you are in the right place. So of course I had to start off with putting on a Christmas music playlist. If you are somebody who is not very motivated or you're just feeling just not the best about putting out your Christmas decor, I highly recommend going ahead and putting on a Christmas playlist. I will link mine down below. I made one a few years ago and it is so good in my opinion. And so again, I'll have that link down below. But before we get into the Christmas village here, of course I have to remove all of my plant babies off of the windowsill and get this space cleaned up. We aren't doing any deep cleaning or anything. We are just getting things dusted and the windows cleaned before we set up the Christmas village. This will be the first year I have been able to set up my Christmas village. As you can see, I was rocking out to the music there. But like I said, this is the first year I have been able to put out our Christmas village. We have been gifted these every single year from my husband's family. Christmas villages are huge in their family, and so this is actually my first time ever unboxing these. I have only ever seen them like in the boxes. I've never taken them out, and so I am really excited to be able to carry on this tradition for our family. So for this, I am keeping it really minimal, you guys, just using some fake snow, some twinkle lights, these Christmas trees, and of course like the village themselves. So first you're going to start off by getting your fake snow and just kind of putting it on the surface that you are doing. I am really excited to have everything in the windowsill. I just think it's going to be so beautiful at night. Stay tuned to see how it turns out.
All year long I've been keeping track of when I've been naughty and nice. And from what I can tell, I've done more good deeds than I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me.
After the snow is put on, I just kind of placed the 5 pieces that we have for our village, and then I wanted to put some twinkle lights just to make things a little bit extra special. If you are new around here, I freaking love twinkle lights. I think they are just so cute and make anything just that much more magical, and Christmas is definitely my favorite time of the year. And so I'm just really excited to be able to do this Christmas village. But I would love to know down below, do you have a Christmas village yourself? Did your parents have one when you were growing up? Or do you know anyone or have anyone in your life that does a Christmas village? Let me know down below in the comments. I think it turned out so beautiful, so simple and minimal, but just really, really pretty. I am loving how everything turned out. I love this Walter one that we have. I think it is so special that my mother-in-law found that for us. And so yeah, here is the Christmas village, and you will get to see what it looks like at nighttime in a second here.
There's a rumor spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you. Coming down my chimney on Christmas Day. We'll be side by side to see. This year's
So of course, once all of that was done, it was time to just clean up the space and all of the glitter that comes with Christmas. If you're wondering who I was watching here on YouTube, I had Brittany Blaine up on at this moment, but I was also watching Katie from Typically Katie as well, and I was just kind of catching up on all of my friends and their Christmas clean and decorates as I was doing my own. How beautiful is this little planter? I think it is so stunning. It was actually gifted to us from our real estate agents, and it was from a local shop here where I live, and I just think it's so beautiful. So unfortunately, you probably can't get that anywhere, but I think it is a beautiful piece. Now I'm going to go and decorate my side of the bed on our end tables. I have these little flocked Christmas tree and then my sign that I made, which is so me. I kind of swear like a sailor, I'm not going to lie. I like to keep it together here on YouTube, but I think that it is so cute. And again, it just totally represents me. So I love it. And I was inspired to make this sign through one of my friends. Her name is Colby. She goes by This Is Drover on TikTok as well as Instagram, but I think she stopped posting on Instagram a few months ago, so she's strictly on TikTok now. But go ahead and check her out. She shares a lot of DIYs and just like home inspiration as well. She's super fun, and I actually have known her since I was like a little kid, so it's really cool to see her and watch her grow. I found her not even quite a year ago on Instagram, and I was like, no freaking way, like this is one of my childhood friends, and it was just really cool to see her. Anyway, I digress. To decorate the girls' bedroom for Christmas, I am just throwing these Grinch blankets on their beds. They don't even use them, which is hilarious. And then I found these little Grinch stuffies that they have, so that didn't last very long. These blankets are now downstairs in their little area, but I don't know, the thought was nice. Eventually I want to maybe put a Christmas tree in their room. We'll see what happens in the future years, but this year I am keeping things totally minimal, totally simple, and just trying to use more traditional colors and see how I like it before I make like the complete transition over. Let me know what colors you use in your home when it comes to Christmas. Do you use more traditional colors or do you have a different theme? Let me know in the comments.
Red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along now and play. What a wonderful day. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. White smile is brightening up my day. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me.
all I did in the kitchen was those two little areas, and then I put out some Christmas mugs in our glass corner cabinet at the back. And then I have been sharing these in a few of my videos. I think they turned out not too bad here on the backs of the chair. It just makes things a little bit more festive here in the dining room. I'm not 100% sold on them though, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.